guys, here's a song that is for all of the haters out there and people that say bad things about Taylor Swift and Swifttubers and Swifties in general and all other singers. People that are just rude and don't think before they talk. I hope you enjoy. See them. I walk with my head down, try to block you out, but never impress you. I just wanna feel okay again. I bet you got pushed around. Somebody made you fall, but the cycle ends right now. 'Cause you can't lead me down that road. You don't know what you don't know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and just don't let the haters get to you. I love y'all so much, except for the person that this is dedicated to.